welcome to this new video. Today we have some very special content, but before we start, let me add a touch of magic. Now, watch the result. Did you like this trick? In this video, in a fun and innovative way, so follow me until the end, and do not forget to support us by liking and subscribing. Let's get started. And that's the end of this video. To download the video, you can find the link in our bio. Don't forget to support us with a like and subscribe for more great content. See you in the next video. We will go through a short explanation of removing the green background.